The government of Meghalaya and NTPC Limited, a leading energy conglomerate, have signed a series of memorandum of understanding aimed at enhancing the power scenario in Meghalaya. The signing ceremony took place at New Delhi in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Power Minister Abu Tahir Mondal, Gurdeep Singh, Chairman and Managing Director of NTPC Limited, and Sanjay Goyal, CMD, MEECL. The Chief Minister expressed his optimism about the collaboration, stating that the signing of the MoU will go a long way in improving the overall power scenario of the state. The government's commitment to improve power connectivity in Meghalaya is reflected in these positive interventions, he added.
Accordingly, we were discussing with NTPC, who are having all experience, knowledge and infrastructure to give an associate with us to bail out of this situation. And today we signed the memorandum. We hope that this will go in a big way as far as the power generation and distribution is concerned for the state.
Education Minister Rakam A.